Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Weddly. In this video, we'll show you how easily you can assign guests to tables for your wedding event. First, we'll show you how to manually set up a table by indicating the number of seats available. This allows you to customize the seating arrangements according to your preferences for your wedding event. After, you can search only for confirmed guests and their confirmed spots, either by name or by social group, using the information you previously maintained during your RSVP process. After selecting a guest, you can assign all their available seats to a specific table or break down their confirmed seats across different tables, depending on your seating plan. Next, you'll see how to assign the menu type to the assigned seats. The system will show you how many confirmed menus of different types are available for that particular guest, all derived directly from the guest confirmation data we received. This makes it easy to ensure everyone gets their preferred meal. You can search for all the currently unassigned guests, and the system will show you the updated number of available spots each guest has, all in real time, online. Then, you can easily break down the confirmed seats for a specific guest across different tables by indicating the number of seats for that guest to take at this particular table. 10 days before your wedding, you can download the guest assignments in Excel for any manual changes, including last-minute confirmations or adjustments. A table assignment control will also show you available seats, ensuring no guest is missed.
There's another way to assign guests to your tables, and that's through AI provided by Gemini. You can input a prompt with your basic table assignment preferences, mentioning names and social groups. In story mode, the AI will consider your guest preferences and provide a full set of guest assignments based on your prompt and Digital Weddly's unique AI setup. This advanced feature streamlines the often complex task of table assignments, making your wedding planning experience much smoother and more efficient. Also, there's an I Feel Lucky toggle. If it's turned on, it will remove any previous assignments. If it's turned off, the AI will take those previous assignments into account, giving you the flexibility to refine your seating plan effortlessly. Well, this is how Digital Weddly can help you to have good days planning for your event. Thank you for watching. For more information on how Digital Weddly can help with your wedding planning, please visit our page at digitalweddly.com. See you next time.